Just got home, got done with family pictures, got done checking cows, got home, got done with family pictures.
And now we're going on a date in the Ranch Rolls to get some ice cream at the fire station. We're not really.
Are we?
No.
Because it's cold. I don't think I have enough clothes on.
I don't know that we'll make it there and back.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we take you along as we feed cows. Oh, someone's calling. Hold on. As we're back, we had to take a phone call from the kids.
They're fighting. Do y'all's kids ever fight and argue with each other?
They're fighting over if they're going to go eat lunch together or not. But they did come hand me my camera card over the back fence so that I could make this video for y'all. We came over here to feed the cows on the neighbor's place. We didn't get a video of that because I didn't have a camera card.
The 5 P's, Erica. The 5 P's.
I did have the camera. It just didn't have a card in it. So, but we'll take you along for the rest of the ride, and I'm fixing to look up our question box and see what questions we can answer today.
Okay, so instead of doing a live question and answer on our cow check-in through
Instagram?
other platforms, we're going to do it on here. Can we say Instagram on here and it not get like
I don't know.
shadow banned?
I have no idea. But we might do both.
Okay.
Because this is only going to be like a 15-minute video, Cody.
All right. Well, I'm going to go shut the gate since Erica's got her foot propped up.
What? This is like...
I purposely wore your dress shoes so you wouldn't have to get gates today, but that's not going to work. I'm still going to...
This is record-breaking.
I'm still going to require some gate opening from you.
We're going to do family pictures after a while. We were going to do them after church, but the sun is bright and shiny today. It's been overcast for a while. I thought maybe it'll be overcast, but no. So we're going to do family pictures when we get back from cow checking. We're talking about what the definition of clickbait is because somebody on our Instagram just said that our thumbnails are starting to look like clickbait.
Was that a thumbnail from YouTube? They looked at a YouTube video and said it looked like clickbait?
What else would have a thumbnail?
I don't. Sometimes on Instagram, the video,
they're talking about YouTube,
the picture has a.
Yeah,
the video is completely different than the picture you click on.
Yeah, they're talking about YouTube.
Okay.
Anyways, but I'm going to take it as a compliment because that means we're getting better at our thumbnails. Because first of all, we strive not to have clickbait on our thumbnail. We're not going to lie to you and say something's in a video and it's not. But we do want it to be eye-catching and exciting looking. So we do try to make sure that happens because otherwise, why would you want to click on it and watch it? Right?
Yeah, if it's just plain old mundane, just blah.
And if it says, how to check for pregnancy in cattle, like, yes, if that's exactly what you're looking for, you might watch it, but we want to get people that aren't just looking for agriculture to watch our videos also, so
that we can expose them to agriculture and what all's involved with it. So there might be a little bit of, what do you call that? Trickery? Is it trickery?
It's not trickery.
Deception.
I mean, it's not deception.
What is it?
Just because we put an ultrasound on there and said...
It was a calf ultrasound, not a human.
Yeah, it was a calf ultrasound, but we had been waiting for that pregnancy. I'm just saying.
So,
it wasn't
some creative marketing.
Yeah,
there.
It was creative. All right, Cody's getting this is the third gate Cody's gotten. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm liking it. I think it's because I'm holding the camera. I'm going to keep holding the camera. Let's show you how he gets gates. He's getting the divorce gate. I hate this one anyways. Good job, Cody. Way to go.
Anyways, this set of cows belongs to a man that was Erica's youth minister in church when she was a kid, and
so longtime friend.
And I guess I've been checking cows for him for nearly 15 years because Clancy was a baby when I started doing it. And yeah, these cows are about 50 miles from our hometown and his hometown. So he can't get out here 2 or 3 times a week like he'd like to. So we come once a week, and then he tries to come once a week when he can, but he doesn't always make it. So yeah, we just take care of them for him. We come out here, feed when it's time to work calves. We work calves and do all the stuff that go. Just take care of them just like they're ours, except they don't belong to us. But We're going to stockpile some hay, so we're probably going to put out like 3 rolls here, three round bales. There's just a handful of cows here, about 12 or 15, so 3 round bales will get them through the week till we get back next weekend to feed them again. So we're going to check the water trough and check the tank, huh?
Next weekend's Christmas.
Yeah, but that don't matter. That's just another day.
I cannot do the cutting of the hay.
Oh, why not?
Because we're taking family pictures, and I don't want hay in my hair.
Well, hand me my knife that's in there, please. No, so we'll get questions. So let's go ahead and answer them. This sheath is a sheath that I made. This is a style that I designed. Clancy, it's the same kind Clancy carries on his belt. So it's made to where your belt goes over the top of it, and you wear it underneath your belt. And the pressure from your belt puts pressure on your knife. It does still, the knives fit good. I mean, they're not going to shake out. But yeah, and then this is a Scott Williams knife. It's got a W.
Hold on.
With a bar on it right there.
Kind of.
This is our local sheriff, our county sheriff, and this is a knife that he makes, and it feels like it might already be sharp, but no, it needs a little honing. So I know I'm gonna get this question or this comment because I get it all the time. Is like, why don't you keep a Work Smart deal or one of those things? And that's good, guys, to have a knife sharpening system, but nothing beats knowing how to sharpen a knife on a wet rock or a diamond stone like this, because if you can do that, you can always sharpen a knife. And I know inevitably somebody's going to give us this little hint. Yes, you can, on your window right here, you can sharpen a knife on a window, because a window glass is made of sand, and when in that form, it's harder than most steels. So yes, you can use it as an abrasive to sharpen your knife and get it where it'll work. But for the most part, I just like to use a good diamond stone. That needs a little bit more. It's just about there. So when you see these little lanyards, these little pulls on a knife, really, they should have a hole this big in them, big enough for your pinky finger to go in. Because what that's designed for real, is when you're skinning a deer or skinning an animal, you're supposed to be able to hook your finger in there, do what you're doing. If you need your knife, you turn your hand over, grab it, do some trimming, let go, you can pull. That's what that's for. It's not just for looks. It's not just for...
Have you ever skinned an animal?
No, not one time, so.
That cut like butter.
Like butter. Maybe, we'll see. I didn't get the end cut there.
So how about a tutorial on how to put out round bale? What do? You cut the wrap off like that.
Yeah.
And then what?
Well, you want to all... Don't be lazy and not
still
cut
got
your
a
wrap
string
off,
back here.
because this wrap is not digestible. I think they are making some now, but this isn't. This is just a plastic wrap. So you don't want your livestock eating that, whether it's cattle or sheep and goats. Some people are going to put a ring on this, or they might roll it out. We're just going to lay it on the ground. You can see they've utilized, that's hay that we put out 2 weeks ago. They've utilized nearly every bit of that. Some of that's just junk that's on the bottom that's rotten that they ain't gonna eat no matter what. But yeah, then I'm gonna drop it down, pull forward, and the spikes are gonna come out.
Show me, don't tell me.
All right, don't tell you all of that.
Hey. And that's how you load them. Good job, babe.
Next year. So
You got the cows up here too.
got the cows up here too. So This is what you call a spear bed or a spike bed, depending on what part of the country you're from. And it's designed to pick up one round bale at a time. Pick up, go, and put it out one at a time. I have picked up 2 with this, some smaller, lighter bales, but a good full-size bale you can really only pick up 1 at a time with. Now they also make a squeeze bed, which has 2 arms. Instead of the spikes, they have 2 arms that come on the sides that come down, and you can put a bale on the bed and then pick up another bale and carry 2. Some people can carry more than that. I mean, if you got the smaller bales, you might can put 4 on your truck, pick 2 up at once and set on there, then pick 2 more up. But it makes it handy where you don't have to have a tractor or a skid steer or some type of loader in every little hay field like what we have at hay patch. Like where we're at out here, we try to stack hay at each pasture. That way when it's time to feed, we can just put out a bale at each place. We don't have to haul it around with us that much. So, you know, you see people, there's hay buggies that you pull, that are a little bumper pull trailer that you pull behind you that you can pick up hay with. Some people have a hay spike that mounts on their gooseneck hitch or just bolts down in their bed. They even make a deal now that's a bumper that has a hay spike built into it. So there's lots of different ways that,
That's cool.
yeah, farmers and ranchers have, you know, created stuff that work well for them. So this is all we've ever had. We're on our 3rd Bradford built bed now, and all of mine have been spike beds, spear beds.
But stay tuned.
But stay tuned, because we're really contemplating.
We might be moving up in the world.
Might be stepping on up, seeing about getting an upgrade. So stay tuned on that. Joystick now. Okay, guys, so I've been having this conversation with my uncle for the last couple of weeks or so, really the last couple of years, but he puts out a lot of round bales every year during wintertime, you know, feeds a lot of round bales, and his biggest complaint is he can never find a knife that'll stay sharp or anything, basically. You know, he's tried the deals where you know, the big long yellow handle where you grab it and slide through there, and he doesn't like them. He's got some good pocket knives, but he's always like, you know, they don't stay sharp, but only for a couple of, you know, 5 or 6 bales. So I have a question is, what do you guys like to use to put out hay, to cut your string or your wrap off? Do you use a knife? Do you use a razor? I told him that maybe he ought to get one of those handheld grinders. I've been seeing some people use those, and that seems like it would work good, but he hadn't tried that. So I wanted to ask you, what do you like to use to put out, to cut your wrap off? And number 2, I've asked him, you know, are you just running that across the edge of the wrap? Are you burying it down in there and cutting 5 or 6 inches at one time of the whole hay? Like, what are you doing? You know, I mean, not that I don't think he's doing it right, but I'm just asking. So when you do it, are you a barely cut the wrap kind of person like that? Or you stick it in there and try to skin the bale? What is your preferred method of doing that? Let me know in the comments down there below. And
Which one I am?
what?
I stick it in too far.
Yeah, exactly. That's why they don't stay sharp very long. If you're trying to cut, if it's like you're out there cutting hay again, it ain't gonna stay sharp. But if you'll just try to just cut the wrap, they usually stay sharp pretty long time, in my opinion.
Not even on the wheel, you're gonna die. You're gonna die.
This is senior pictures right here.
God, you're gonna die.
You're 2 years late.
You're gonna die because your hand's not even on the wheel.
Yeah, pretend like, yeah.
Put your
Yes,
knee up.
ma'am.
Put your knee up like you usually do.
All right.
Oh,
okay.
how I normally drive?
All right, get out.
No, before you tear my car up.
That's how I drive every day.
Hey, pull your phone out too. Pull your phone out. Hold on.
It is tough having kids, y'all. They're gonna tear my little car up. These cows are like, are y'all gonna feed me or what? The sheep back here, y'all see them back there? They done give up, left.
Dad's too busy YouTubing.
I'm TikToking here.
Come here, Dad. Climb
Doing
in.
the same thing.
Climb in with me. I gotta go around.
Here.
I'm gonna go around.
Why, you're not gonna drive?
No, you drive.
All right, I'm gonna get in here. Get in the old ranch rows. Now I don't want no like making fun of me getting in here. I'm like a can of biscuits. Here, Punch.
Like a busted can of biscuits.
You had to turn it around. 'Cause you know how, oh, it's still on us. So. Hold on.
Oh, this is.
Is that cute? Is this cute or not?
Yeah, Dad's
I'm showing teeth.
Does he need to put his...
That,
We're so cute in that one.
So let's do a little quick interview here since I got this is
interview?
awesome camera right here. So we have tried multiple different filming options from, I don't know if we ever used this to film this
We
big.
film your sermons, capsule sermons with this.
Okay, and then what's the other camera you got?
A Sony ZV-1,
And then we use our cell phones, which are iPhone what?
iPhone
18 pluses, maxes,
13s,
iPhone 13s.
13s,
And then we have GoPros,
GoPros.
and now we have this DJI Osmo
Osmo
3. Of all that we've tried, what are you
This is
leaning towards?
the DJI is the best thing since sliced bread. Best
Okay.
thing I ever seen.
But you like this one the best.
Best.
Take a picture of me holding it so you can put
Oh
it
my goodness. Okay.
in the
I'm
video.
holding it, Cody.
You need to be in it.
I'm getting it. I just wanted it not to be right in your face. Got you.
Okay. So we're curious, guys, what y'all think about the video quality, the sound quality. I mean, we love shooting with this. We've only had it for like a week. But what are your thoughts on it? Are they going to feed the cows? Tell them, Fred, make a loop and feed the heifers.
Feed the heifers. Feed the heifers.
Feed the heifers. How many did they get? 30?
No,
13?
about 15.
15, boy.
All right, Mom, you getting in here? We can follow along behind them. Punch, you better jump in the truck. So what are your thoughts on the video quality?
Hold it. Just got home, got done with family pictures, got done checking cows, got home, got done with family pictures.
And now we're going on a date in the
Now
Ranch
we're on a
Rolls to get some
date?
ice cream at the fire station. We're not
Are
really.
we?
No.
Because it's cold. I don't think I have enough clothes on.
I don't know that we'll make it there and back. We need to do a little carburetor work on the old Ranch Rolls.
But the kids just fed the heifers right here, so I was gonna give you a little show of the heifers. It's a pretty sunset. Now they're gonna go over there and feed the
feed
sheep.
the old sheep.
So,
Let's drive down the road and you can film the sheep going down the road.
all right, let's go check that out real quick. We'll turn y'all around. The heifers are like, where are y'all going? All right, we gotta get this thing home. Come on, Cody.
It's got a lot of rust built up in the fuel tank, and it's clogging up the fuel filter, not wanting to run like it's supposed to. So
Uh-oh. Y'all keep branching.
keep branching.